Alright. Hi everybody, I have a message to share with you that the Lord said those of you will learn more about and how to walk in my ways. You will learn from me, and some of you will depart from the faith. And I will do judgment for them. But to you will I cherish you. To you will I love you, because you are a chosen one. You are my chosen one. You are my willing vessels. You are willing indeed, and you are tired, but I will give you rest. I will give you a strength of a horse. I will give you a strength like a lion. Roar, roar, roar. You will roar, you will roar. I will use you soon. Thanks for watching my video and God bless you all. Bye.